morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter number 6, hydrogen. The symbol for hydrogen is 1H1. Its molecular formula is H2. The atomic number 1, mass number 1, electronic configuration 1. Its position in the periodic table is it is found in the first period and in the first A group. This is the periodic table in which we are not showing the transition elements. So here you can see hydrogen is present in the first period and in group first A. It has only one electron in the valence shell, so it belongs to the first group. It is expected that the properties of hydrogen should be similar to those of the other members of the first group. But this is not the case. Ever since Mendeleev presented his periodic table, the position of hydrogen in the table has been a matter of controversy and debate. This is mainly because some of the properties of hydrogen resembles the properties of group 1, while others are similar to those of group 17, the halogen elements. Thomson suggested a separate position for hydrogen. He puts it at the top of the periodic table that does not disturb the symmetry of the modern periodic table. The similarities between hydrogen and the alkali metals, that is first A group. First, the electronic configuration. They have only one electron in their outermost orbits. All the elements of first A group and hydrogen have one electron in their valence shell, so their valency is also 1. Each of them can form cations, that is positive ions, by the loss of electrons, hydrogen H+, lithium Li+, and so on. The reducing power. Both the alkali metals and hydrogen act as reducing agents. Like copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper, metal and water. Similarly, copper oxide when reacted with alkali metal sodium gives copper and sodium oxide. Hydrogen burns in oxygen to form its oxide water. Hydrogen burns with a pop sound. Alkali metal, lithium forms monoxide, sodium forms peroxide, while potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxides having the general formula MO2. Action of air. Alkali metals are so reactive that they get rapidly tarnished when exposed to air. This is due to the formation of oxides and hydroxides and finally carbonates on their surface. Example, 4Na plus H2O gives sodium oxide. Sodium oxide on reacting with water forms sodium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide on reacting with carbon dioxide forms sodium carbonate and water. Due to their reactivity, alkali metals are always stored in an inert organic solvent such as kerosene oil. This inert solvent prevents them from coming in contact with air and moisture. Combination with the non-metals. Hydrogen as well as alkali metals react with non-metals like oxygen, sulfur and chlorine to form the respective compounds. Hydrogen forms water, hydrogen sulfide and hydrochloric acid. Sodium forms sodium oxide, sodium sulfide and sodium chloride and so on. Similarities between the hydrogen and halogens, that is 17 group elements. The electronic configuration. Hydrogen and halogens have one electron less than the nearest inert gas. Hydrogen is 1, nearest noble gas helium, which has electronic configuration 2, fluorine 2, 7, neon 2, 8, the nearest noble gas to fluorine, chlorine 287 and the nearest inert gas argon 288. Both have got valency 1, that is they can accept one electron to attain the electronic configuration of the nearest inert gas. The formation of ions. They both show a tendency to form anions since they are one electron short of the nearest inert gas configuration. So they can accept one electron and form the anions. The electronegative character. Both the halogens and hydrogen are nonmetals. They show electronegative character. Hydrogen accepts electron to form an ion. Fluorine accepts electron to form fluorine ion. Physical state. Like halogens, hydrogen too is a gas. Atomicity. Hydrogen as well as halogens exist in the form of diatomic molecules like H2, F2, Cl2 and so on. Properties of hydrogen which differ from alkali metals and halogens. Hydrogen atom has only one shell, but alkali metals and halogens have two or more than two shells. Oxides of hydrogen, H2O, is a neutral oxide. Oxides of halogens are acidic in nature, while the oxides of alkali metals like sodium oxide, potassium oxide are basic in nature. Discovery of hydrogen. Robert Boyle in 1672 prepared the gas hydrogen, but the credit for the discovery of hydrogen goes to Henry Cavendish. In 1766, he not only prepared the gas from iron and dilute acids, he also established its elementary nature and showed that water is formed when this gas burns in air. He called it inflammable air because of its combustible nature. It was on account of its ability to form water that Lavoisier in 1783 named it hydrogen, which is a Greek word meaning water former. Occurrence. Hydrogen occurs in free state as well as in combined state. In free state, hydrogen is found in traces in the Earth's crust and atmosphere. Volcanic gases contain 0.025% of it, the Earth's crust 0.98%, the Earth's atmosphere 0.01%, and the atmosphere of the Sun and stars also contain hydrogen in large amounts. In the combined state, plant and animal tissues, they are made up of compounds of hydrogen with carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. Hydrogen is the characteristic constituent of acids, alkalis, hydrocarbons and proteins. In addition to these, sugar, starch, petroleum products, proteins, carbohydrates and fats also contain hydrogen. In water, it is 11.1% by weight. Preparation of hydrogen. Since water, acids and alkalis contain hydrogen, they form the cheapest raw materials for preparation and manufacture of hydrogen. The preparation of hydrogen from cold water and metals. The reactive metals like potassium, sodium and calcium react with cold water, forming their corresponding hydroxides and evolving hydrogen. These reactions are exothermic. Potassium, when added to water, floats on water. It melts, forming a silver-grey globule that darts about on the surface of water. The reaction is highly exothermic and vigorous. 2K plus H2O gives 2KOH plus H2. It catches fire and burns with a lilac-colored flame. Bubbles of hydrogen are seen and the solution formed is colorless, soapy and alkaline. Although pure hydrogen burns with a pale blue flame, the color of the flame is lilac due to the presence of traces of potassium vapor. Potassium readily catches fire in air because it reacts with water vapor, so it is kept in kerosene oil and handled carefully. Do not touch it with your hand, rather use a pair of tongs. Sodium. Sodium floats on water. Its melting point is 97 degrees Celsius. It melts, forming a silvery globule which darts about on the surface of the water. The reaction is less exothermic and less vigorous as compared to potassium. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. It catches fire and burns with a golden yellow flame. Bubbles of hydrogen gas are produced and the solution formed is colorless, soapy, slightly warm and alkaline. Sodium amalgam, alloy of sodium and mercury, and potassium amalgam, alloy of potassium and mercury, react smoothly with water. Therefore, hydrogen can be safely prepared from these amalgams.